Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, as I already said, overnight probably here in the UK, so just around the time when the weekly candle closes, you're going to see a little bit of volatility. The price did move up all the way to 30.46k. Nothing too crazy, and we will get to that in a minute. Overall, in the crypto market, sideways movement, nothing too crazy going on at the moment. I think no crazy developments, at least not here in the top 10, top 20, even in the top 100. I think there is nothing crazy. So let's take a look here at the Bitcoin chart, at the more imminent wave count, and so far this triangle pattern still stands. A, B, C, D, E, where we are probably still in the E wave as it seems, especially as we made a new swing high, but nothing too crazy. I did say before, unless we break the 30.7k level, so this peak here, and to be exact, it would need to be 30,725, the wave Y top, the wave C top, and the wave E can get all the way up to the wave C. But when we break that, then we need to reconsider this wave count. It would then just mean that I'm going to move the wave 4 higher. And then we just need to reconsider the wave count, how we count this. It would not be bullish. Someone said in the previous video, it wouldn't harm to be a bit more optimistic. But the thing is, I still expect another sell-off. What we see here in the structure is clearly corrective. In my view, the low is definitely not in. If it is in, then what we are seeing here is not enough yet, and I would want to see some more confirmation for that. For example, as I said before, an impulsive move up, and this is not impulsive yet. So what we want to see, and that is always a really good confirmation, what we want to see would be an impulsive move up, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up, and then you want to see an ABC down, which is a corrective wave that should then come down, make a higher low. And that is the point where I will get more confident that the low is in. First of all, we need to see price increases, and then the structure needs to be right. There's no point in hyping Bitcoin again when we have only a 3-wave move up, which is a corrective move up, and then we come down once more. So this is pretty much what we're looking at here. In this scenario, the price should not move, and let me just adjust that, should not move above 30,725 US dollars. That is the invalidation point for the wave E. For the triangle, up above that, I need to think about how I structure that differently then, but it wouldn't change really anything in this wave 4 scenario here. As I said in previous videos, if the wave 4 moves higher, then it would actually only mean that, first of all, it would mean that the entire correction here gets extended, and then it would also mean that the low that will be in at some point here, the wave 5 low, this will be a little bit higher as well, because the higher the wave 4 goes, the higher the wave 5. That just has to do with how we calculate the Fibonacci extension. So for example, let me just show you, let's say we calculate here for this wave 3 down there, the Fibonacci extensions, just to show you. You can see how this moves. Let's say, it's actually the wrong example. Let me start. Let me start here. Just to visualize it, really. So you see that, let's say we've got here, the higher I move, the beginning of a wave, the higher the Fibonacci extensions move as well, and the lower the lower. So therefore, it depends on how high the wave 4 will go now to determine how low will actually the wave 5 be. Because the wave 5 length calculation starts obviously at the beginning of the wave 5, and when the wave 5 starts higher, because the wave 4 moved higher, then obviously the end point of this overall correction, which I think will be down here somewhere, that will be a little bit higher as well. So if it starts down from here straight away, it will be lower than if it moves above the wave E invalidation point, for example, here above 30,725. So overall, we have broken out of this triangle pattern itself, out of this trend line. So I wouldn't be surprised if we test once more here this $30,725 level. Could imagine we're going to do that, but here on the 1 hour chart, we see already a small bearish divergence in the chart. So you can see that we're actually making higher highs on the price, but we're already making lower highs on the RSI, indicating we could really see here a correction down soon. Yes, it's only the 1 hour chart, but still something we want to keep an eye on. The 4 hour, we don't see a bearish divergence as of yet, but it just means on the 1 hour we're already getting exhausted. Okay, getting exhausted meaning the price is moving higher but has more and more difficulties, and the bull's getting a bit exhausted, and it could indicate that the price is going to follow soon the RSI, meaning we're going to make a lower high. So yeah, that is currently what I'm looking at here. 30,725 is the invalidation point. Bearish signal would be a break below the previous swing low now here, which is now at 29.65k and then 29.2k. But the real breakout to the downside, I think, won't happen until we break below 28.6k. That is the overall target level that you can see here on the chart, the large target for the last wave down. And as I said before, I think this last leg down, that will be the end of the overall correction. And my current view is it should land somewhere between 20 and obviously 25.5k. Yeah, somewhere there. There is a chance it even goes lower. I showed you bearish scenarios before, but there is no point talking about it yet because we haven't even completed this wave 5 yet, and we need to see where that will end and how the price is going to react to it. My view is this is the medium-term wave count. It looks like it will be complete after another leg down. So therefore, I currently assume that the last leg down will be the next one. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update about Bitcoin. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership and maybe even check out the trading course I'm currently offering on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.